Hello everyone and welcome to Fixin Action YouTube channel. So here we got a device LG Stylo 4 and it's on a different language, Arabic or Chinese or French or Spanish. You can change the language in two ways. First of all, swipe from top to bottom and click on this setting or gear icon here, or you can find it here, like for example when you turn from right left or something like that, swipe it. So here you will see a gear icon or setting icon, click on that and here you will see the tabs. So the tops are the tabs. So it's a different language and we have trouble understanding this, or we don't know this language at all. So for example, this is Arabic. Here you have to, instead of getting help from a third party or apps, so here we got the pictures. So you have to find a picture which is like A is written on it, like alphabet is written on it. If we get closer you will see. Okay, let me go back. So here you see you have to find this one. It's actually on the last section of this step. So click on this. So here the first one in LG Stylo 4, the first one, you have to click on that and you will see English. If in case English is not here, you can add it by clicking here, this one, and you have to select like English, for example this one. So English will be added. Now we already have this English. All you have to press and hold these three lines and so move it to the top. So automatically the language will be changed. Again, I wanna move this to the top, press and hold, and it's gonna change to a different language again. That's the easiest way to change the language back to English or from English to another language. You can access the settings in two ways, as I said. First of all, swipe from top to bottom and click on this gear icon and click on general and swipe down in here language and input. As I said, there will be alphabet A written on it. Click on this one and here the language, the first one, and then you can add a language or whatever it is. So go back, the same thing, swipe right left until you find this setting icon, click on here and general. So in different languages it will be opposite, something like that, the tabs. So here the same thing and language, and change it back to whatever language you want. So let's go back to United States. That's great. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.